beers.
The king of beer.
No, it's not.
No,
Actually
not really.
sucks.
There you go.
That shit fucking sucks.
You still drink it.
Oh, tastes like urine.
Smoking.
Tastes like elephant urine. Gotta love the embers.
Look, she's already frying up.
Mm-hmm. Whoopsie.
Look at that.
Booyah. Whoopsie. Fuck it. Why is it doing that? Gay.
Haven't lost my touch. So here we are, Green Ridge, campsite 87. Ain't that great? Because
You got a hill up there, and then you got a hill up there, and then that goes uphill, and that goes uphill. I mean, we're at the bottom of the barrel here. But it's busy, and it's the only shot we could get, so it's okay. Oh, lordy day. Over and out.
shit, bruh.
Oh,
Yeah.
God, that looks so fucking good.
Then we'll cut her up. Put some chili on there.
Chili. Fucking chili.
Chili.
Chili. What's up, folks? We made it. Night one. It rained its fucking dick off last night.
All night.
And it was windy. So we're just waiting for the snow and the sleet and all the other shit that normally happens when we come here. So
What happened today?
well, I know what else is happening today.
Show them that hill we're gonna walk up.
That big old bitch.
And
It
we're
doesn't
gonna
look
take a
that big,
shit
but
at the top.
oh god, yeah. I am ready. We're getting the coffee ready.
Smoking another stogie.
Got some pistachios,
Oh.
and something's gonna come out right here. Right there. There you go. Get it. Weird. Sometimes you gotta be a little weird. I mean,
Might have to get beer.
I don't know.
I don't know.
We shouldn't. We shouldn't. Right?
Might.
Everybody out there, we shouldn't, right? I know. Oh god. Oh, we got a truck coming. It's a Ford.
Got a cap.
He does. It's a soft cap. No, it's a hard cap. He's not cool. He don't have the soft cap like us. I don't know. Here we are in the gully.
Golly.
About to make some coffee. Walk up that big ass mountain and take a shit. I want to have a good view while I take a shit. And that view up there, from what my circumstances of being a navigator of the free land and whatever, I'm
Right.
guessing it's the Potomac, and on the other side is West Virginia. So nothing wrong with staring at West Virginia while you're taking a dump in the woods.
Yo.
Oh yeah, baby.
Virginia.
I'm just excited about coffee. And pistachios. Huh, sure good.
Feel one brewing.
Huh?
Feel one brewing.
Me too. We're gonna poop together.
Yeah.
We're gonna be like 1, 2, 3, go!
I'm gonna beat him. I'm gonna beat
Oh,
him to
fun.
the poop.
It's gonna be fun. Pooping 101. Excuse me. Gotta dig a hole. Look around. Make sure you don't see no bears or anything. Take your knife off. I hope I can poop. I had to like 5 minutes ago, and now I'm camera shy. So there you go. And then you just lean and let nature take its course, if it will. Come on, ass. Gotta get comfy. Sometimes it takes a little bit, you know? I'll be back. Here we are. Green Ridge. Sunflower Seed Lane.
Going to the overlook.
Overlook, looking for some bears. If we find one, we gotta run back, get the gun, and claim our pelt.
Shoot it. Gotta shoot
There's
it.
a far run back.
Make it sticks when we get back.
All the way down there. Way down there.
We ain't even close yet.
Nope. So, yeah, I guess we're gonna update you when time comes.
Steaks. Yeah, steaks.
Mistakes have been made.
No.
Mikey, he didn't order the special yesterday, and it just domino effect. Domino effect. And then it rained. We didn't put a tarp over top of his tent, so domino effect.
Leaked a little bit. Just a little. Rained pretty good.
And now Mikey, his stomach's kind of, you know, not working with him today. He needs to shit. He can't shit. I took a nice golden brown one up the hill. I told Mikey to go look at it. It might help him, but
Griefy and chilly.
over and out.
Cut up and walk through there.
Yep, I had a train of thought. No, we shouldn't. Had a train of thought. Don't buy Viper alarms. We've been walking, you know, a little bit. Oh, fuck, someone's coming. Anyway, don't buy Viper alarms because they suck. And they have shitty range and all that stuff, so. Those guys are fags.
Right
It's a mellow hill. They call them mellow yellow.
Mellow yellow.
Mellow.
Yellow. You show them that? You show them that?
Man, they ain't to see that shit. They ain't good enough. See that? The GoPro makes everything look far away that's cool. And they make everything, and the GoPro also makes everything that's big look really small. Like that hill we climbed. Yeah, that too. But now, like that hill we climbed, like I looked at it with my naked eye and I was like, that's a big motherfucker. And I showed the GoPro and GoPro was like, nah, fuck that. These motherfuckers ain't gonna look that good.
Pussy shit.
So here we are. Day 16 at Green Ridge. It rained last night. Fucking sucked.
It looks like rain tonight.
It looks like rain tonight. I ain't washed my hair in a while, so it might be good. But
hey, I got shampoo.
Shampoo!
And we got that water.
Boulder.
At least it's all downhill from here.
Yeah, well, that's a bad thing. We're going back in the gully where we're gonna get.
It ain't bad. Don't let him lie. He's a pussy.
No, I'm not a pussy.
Yeah, he's a pussy.
I just don't like water.
He's a pussy.
All the water runs downhill, so does shit.
He's scared.
I pooped uphill. If that rain comes, that poop's coming down.
But I will say
I'm just gonna throw up.
It is getting cloudy. Mikey hasn't pooped yet, which is not good.
Because Mikey's a cocksucker. That's what you get for calling me a pussy. The camping gods are like, nope, you ain't shit now.
Oh, I'll poop tomorrow
Done fuck with
morning.
Kevin's feelings.
I will poop tomorrow morning.
No, he won't. He's gonna poop tonight.
Maybe.
Bear country, baby.
Oh. And I'm
Ain't-
gonna keep it close to the campgrounds.
I'm down. I won't gag and throw up and be a bitch.
I will. I definitely will.
Oh,
This is awesome.
it is. It's pretty cool.
Y'all missing out.
Yeah, well, they're not, because they don't like camping. Bitches don't like camping. Brigadier Shay.
Brigadier Chai. Should we take a little, give him a little bit over there?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a piss.
Alright. Brigadier.
I'm gonna show him how small my wiener looks on us. Joke, Mike.
You probably will do it.
I might. Oh shit.
Is that the train?
It's definitely the train. It's out there. There's a ghost train out there somewhere. Might be. Fuck. I pulled my wiener into my boxers too fast. Now it dripped down. You ever do that? I know. Sometimes it happens. Oh God, it's down my leg. Fuck me, it's cold. I don't like that. Like that drip. The drip. So get this. We had a shitload of dry wood yesterday. A shitload. We covered it in a tarp and it rained. And I'm sure not a lot of people cover their wooden tarps when they go camping because, well, yeah, first of all, the weather.
The weather.
It wasn't supposed to rain yesterday.
And it did.
Skies were nice, the sun was out, it was beautiful, and then all of a sudden, downpour. So people don't prepare for shit like that. Well, we did. And I feel like we're the only people here out of 100 campsites and 44,000 acres of forest that have dry wood. And everybody's out to get it. So,
Horse poop.
yep, horse shit right here coming up.
Watch out.
Coming up. Oh, I'm gonna give you a close up. Poopy. So, but yeah, we're like, so now we're scared that all the campers that drive by our fucking campsite, which the campsites are pretty far apart. I mean, half a mile, whatever. But, fuck. It's all wet now. I gotta change. I pulled it in too quick. So anyway,
Stupid.
so now we're scared people are going to drop by our campsite and see that no one's there because obviously we're not there, and people are going to steal our fucking fresh dry wood, which we covered with a camouflage tent or a tarp, which should camouflage it, but probably won't. So
It won't. Don't even look real.
exactly, but the wood is very real. It's very dry, and we need it to stay warm. It's
I have,
gonna get cold tonight.
I have to stab some motherfuckers. Or cook steaks.
We kill what we eat
You drink, dude.
and drink.
You drink.
So
Way easier downhill.
it is.
It is.
Except
Just
not
like
when
that
you got
other
a-
hill that y'all don't think is steep.
Brian Coran, eat your heart out.
Eat your heart out.
We're gonna try.
Let me hold it.
Sure. Whoa. Whoa.
Bounce it off the fucking handle.
It's definitely cooler when going up. But going down is fun too.
Looks like the fucking road float or something right there.
Maybe it's a.
Pothole.
Maybe the earth gave out. It did. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my God. Yep. Hey, Gabe out. All right, Brian. We're about to hit some serious puddleage, so we'll get back to you. Brian Coran, eat your heart out.
Oh. Oh, all right. Oh God, bro.
Got my eye.
Fucking blow your rim out and your fucking tire and all that.
Blown out. And top that.
Is that it?
Yep. Thank you.
We're doing it. Shit. Damn. Damn.
42. Sorry, did I get you wet?
I don't care. I don't want to wipe your fucking windshield on.
We're gonna turn around and do it again.
No.
No?
Ain't worth it just for all that. Not at all. But you can't make your truck dirty.
I did. Brian Coran, eat your heart out.
Eat it out.
Or eat some other guy's penis. Hell yeah, you know what it is, yo. Gangster, gangster. Gangster down there, she ain't even looking, but gangster. Here we are on the Peakway River, class 6 fucking hurricane. Patrick fake died, it's okay though. He made a wheelbarrow, we were good, you know, fuck, you know.
Day to day.
I popped my shit, but it's okay, it's just the bottom, so my ass will hurt every time I hit a fucking rock, but whatever.
What day is it? I thought it was Thursday.